Hello dear friend, in Affinity Designer 2.6 there are some exciting new features with new improvements dear friend. If you want to know these improvements and update, listen this class till the end. These improvements and update are regarding pencil tools, improved node tools. Here we will talk all these and we will see how these new features work inside Affinity Designer dear friend. If you haven't updated, please go and update. You see, you have to come here, help, and my up check for update. Here you can check update. You see, you are currently using the latest available version 2.6 point. I have downloaded the new version Affinity 2.6. It's very stable, and these improved node tools and pencil tools are really a game changers in Affinity Designer 2.6. Without wasting time, let's jump into Affinity Designer's exciting features 2.6 update. Hello dear friend, we have installed the update. No, we are initializing. Okay, now we can open the program. Here you see I take just a new document, default document this. Okay, you can change the code document and parameters according to your needs dear friend, and we just click to create here. So we see we are now updated Affinity Designer 2.6. You can check here. You see you are currently using the latest available version 2.6 here. Now dear friend, now we review the main feature in Affinity Designer. Here there is a major update for pencil tool. You see here pencil tools. You come to tools. All type of tools are available here. You just come here, pen tool. Here this is a pencil tool. We check this pencil tool and we will just draw here. It's actually about the smoothness of our pen tools. It's very convenient when you draw, you make logo etc. And here you come here, you see this is a rough. Actually after drawing line with our pencil tool, it's a rough, but we can make now smooth hairs. For this now we have, you see hair selection here. You can make 100% hair. You see 100% when you see touch hairs, and you will smooth hair. You can directly smooth. You see hair to 100%, it will automatically smooth. You see Affinity has smooth our lines. So once again I show you here. You see pencil tools. We check here this pencil tool and we draw a line. For example, I draw this line here like this. Okay, so you see here we have line here, pencil here, main point here, and we will come here to smooth. We will just click it to 100%. Affinity photo will automatically smooth your drawing here. You see here just click. So you see it has automatically smoothened our drawings, our lines here dear friend. So this is the main. Now we go for next. Hello dear friend, if this class is helpful to you, adds value to your life dear friend, don't forget to subscribe the channels. Your one subscription gives me a lots of motivation to make more tutorial for you dear friends. If you want that I grow on YouTube, and you have to subscribe the channel dear friends, so that I can make 2 or 3 videos every week dear friend. It's a very hard work to record, edit video, make thumbnails myself. Everything I am doing is still time from my family, and nowadays I am too much tired of making contents dear friend. Because of the algorithm of YouTube, my contents can't grow. And you can do this by just sharing, liking, comment, and sharing these channels to your friends actually who are in the need of such type of tutorial. This tutorial will help them a lot. Please favor me dear friend, like, share and comment. And major update is also regarding the pencil tools. We come to pencil tools, just select and again come to pencil tool here and just click. And now when we draw the line actually here you see I'm drawing line here, just close here. And there is a feature for no auto close. For this feature you have to come here. You see here auto close, there are, you see off, you can make off. When you will, it will be off, it will not automatically close. You have to come here to close here. But no, after this update, auto close you can make near. Near means when you draw the line, and when it will, your line will be near, Affinity Design will automatically select and close your line. For example, you see here it has automatically taken and closed the lines. Once again I show you. You see near here, and we will just drag here. When our line will be near here you see Affinity will automatically take with, you see it has selected automatically, and it has closed our circle here. So this is very useful features when you are working and you have to go here. Just it help you. You see it has automatically selected. It's a small but very big improvements and good feature. And the same way you have to come here. You see here auto close, and now there is also option for far. It means when you draw the line here, when you will be farther, very far. After clicking this option, Affinity Designer will automatically select and close. You see, it has selected and closed. You see, it has closed. So once again, I show you, just I take line here, and I am far here, far from. You see it after here. So after this, it automatically grabs the line and close here. For example, I am CCC. You see, I am far here, and it has taken a very good feature, dear friend. So here you can make off when you switch off, and you have to go to manually here. Manually, you have to. It has manually closed. So these features, try these features and write me in the comment box. So how do you apply? How like this? Hello, dear friend. The next new feature is about the node. First, we take a line. We draw just line for just here. You see, we have line here, and we just click to node here. You see here node. Just click here, and you can add node anywhere. You see. Now we have added node here. But when you double click here, if you have a smooth node, it will convert into sharp node, and sharp node will be convert into smooth node. For example, I just click here, this is smooth node, and I will just double click on this. You see, now it's a sharp node, and again when you double click on this, it will convert into smooth node. You see, now it says converted into smooth node. The second here is a new feature is that when you click here, we have two handles here. When you double click any handle, one handle will be deleted, and you will have only one handle smooth nodes here. For example, I double click here. You see, we have just deleted the handle. We have only this handle here. So this is a good feature. Try this features. This is a good features now in Affinity Designer after the update 2.6. Hello, dear friend. Third new feature is about the color picker tool in Affinity Designer or photo. Color picker tool is already very strong, but after these updates, no, it will be more convenient to work here. For example, we have three colors here, and after this update, when you select these and any color, it will be automatically applied to your object here. For example, we have this color selected. We just take color picker. For example, this and this red will be changed to this green. Green. For example, we come here. You see, it has automatically changed the color. For example, we come here and we just select here, and you see it. It has automatically changed the color. For example, we have selected this color here and take the color picker tool. You see, it has automatically changed the color. There is a small and very good improvement is here that when you click option on your MacBook or alt on your Windows PC, and you can take any color, just select, it will be saved to your here color picker, and later you can use this. For example, I want to use no, so you can later use this. For example, I want to take this color, and this color you have to alt on your Windows PC, and you have to just click here, double click here, so it will be saved here. This is a small features, very important. Hello, dear friend. Next update is about our the receipt for brushes. We just take and brush here for example, pencil tool, and we just click here, and we change here any type of brushes, but no brushes you can check. We have search icon here, and you can type, and all brushes which you have installed here will appear here. For example, acrylic, I type, all will be appeared here. So this is about all about the brushes for search items. No, it's more convenient to search. If you have lots of brushes downloaded here, this feature will help you a lot. After this update in Affinity Designer 2.6, now we have support for these raw files. From these devices, you see a Nikon Z6 Sigma FPL etc. From these devices, now you can import raw files, and it will be supported inside Affinity Designers, and feature is available in Affinity Designer now. So you can see one by one. So if you have this device, now it will support inside Affinity Designer. After this update, you can add, import raw photos from any of these devices without any problem. It's really a good update. Hello, dear friend, download the Affinity 2.6 now. If you haven't downloaded, you can go to the website of Affinity Serif, Affinity Designer website. I will provide you the link in the description box. There is a 6-month trial. It's you can try for 6 months, dear friend. If you don't like, you can delete, just uninstalls. So it's a really a good perpetual one-time license. On Black Friday every year there is a big deal there, and I just purchased the whole Affinity suit just for around 84 83 something dollar, dear friends. all Affinity photo designers and publisher. And this is really a good deal for me, dear friend, because you don't need to pay like Adobe subscription every month. Once you pay for the software will be the whole life, dear friend. If there will be any major update, and then you have to pay something, so there will be some discount. Otherwise it's a good deal, dear friend. Try, download, and write me in the comment box which type of tutorial do you want about Affinity designers. I have already updated Affinity photo, all the features which have been added in the Affinity photo, some of exciting features I have explained in that video. The video will be added to the in the screen or in the playlist. You can see, dear friends, and there are lots of things to learn there. We meet in the next class. Take care. Bye.